people sa masayang birthday celebration na binigay po ninyo sa akin kahapon.
Yes!
Guys, maraming salamat.
Happy birthday!
Ito guys ha, guys hindi lang yan, napaka-eventful ang araw na to. Hoy, narinig yung joke mo kahapon.
Saan? Joke?
Yung
walay?
yung wali.
Super wali!
Narinig nila.
Hindi na mauulit yun.
Dahil ngayon ha, ibang Kim ang pupunta dito. Nandito si Kim Chu at Gerald.
Sabi sa'yo makakarating yung text ko nakarating yung text ko kahit wali.
Wali. At hindi lang yan ha.
Sige.
Jugi, ano yan, Jugi?
Mamaya magpapasikat din yung beautiful sister ni Anne.
Magsa-showdown sila. Yes! Beautiful. At dyan kami magkaka-level na tatlong magkakapatid.
Oo naman.
Si Jasmine, si anak ko.
Oo naman.
Yes, at hindi lang yan. Entertainment to the fullest ang ibibigay namin sa inyo ngayon.
Kaya umpisa na natin yan. Ito na po ang lab team ng maraming wishful na magkatuluyan sila. And now from the movie, paano na kaya? Let's welcome Kim Chu and Gerald Anderson! With the extra!
I want every job to stand up and bump to the beat. Grab your strings, your mics, your guitars, let's get tired. Whatever you got, let's get it poppin'. Check it out. It's a part of the song where it breaks down. Here you go. Grab that special way you bring on the dance floor. Yes. Just a little bit. Get on your foot, put up, just a little bit. Get on your foot, put up, just a little bit. Let my get on your foot, put up, just a little bit. Now rock with the strings. Get on your foot, put up, just a little bit. Let my just bring the beat back.
Yes! Kim Chu! Gerald Anderson! Nice! Galing naman.
Hi!
Ay, brother!
Guys, kumakahay ka naman ba?
Hoy, para naman ang kababatang kapatid ko na lang yan, Ann.
Grabe, teka.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kim and Gerald, for the
Ayan.
first time dito sa Showtime! Sabihin nyo naman ang ating madlang people!
Yes!
Gerald,
Madlang people! Ayan, makakasama natin mamaya pa si Kim at si Gerald, kaya abangan nyo yan. Pero ito muna, Bong.
Siyempre, walang palit-palit na saya dito sa
Gusto niyo bang sumikat? O gusto niyo lang magpasikat? Eh,